Hey, it's Rowan with Deer Park Farmstead. So I'm trying something a little different here in the garden during the cold months. Just trying to kind of put a cover crop in, see if it happens. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, still, I mean, it'll start growing once it warms up. But I want to try potatoes. And I saw the way this guy did it, and it was pretty cool. So I had some of this stuff near the tunnel, so I'll show you what I did here to plant these potatoes. All right, so I'm here outside in the tunnel. This is like a table that I use, and so these are some potatoes that we got in this certain package that my wife and I got. Her friend was just giving away a bunch of boxes of potatoes, onions, and apples. So of course the apples went to the pigs, but I wanted to, before these potatoes go bad, I wanted to see if I can plant them. So what I saw was this guy, he cut the potatoes in half, and then he used wood ash. So I have a pile right here. I had a pile next to the tunnel, but I just brought some in here, and he just used it like this. There's a little bit of compost mixed in there, and then he just stuck them in the holes like this. This was our tomato area, so I'm putting the tomatoes that were dropped right next to it, and then I'm going every other into a potato hole, tomatoes, potato, and then, if the tomatoes will grow once spring rolls around. So we'll see how that goes too. On this side of the tunnel, I went ahead and did the broccoli on this bed, so that worked out well. They spread it out quite well. I had the just perfect amount, so that worked out great. The arugula is doing awesome. Got some lettuce growing over here. Still a little bare over here. I don't know what I'm going to do over here, but I want to put some cilantro too. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to put some cilantro as well. Unfortunately, I do not have any spinach seed. That would be the perfect crop right now during cold months. And of course, we like our winter boar kale, so I'll probably do winter boar in here if I have some seeds left, and then maybe put some cilantro throughout, maybe even where the potatoes are at. All right, so I'm all done planting these. What I did is I went ahead and added a little bit more ashy compost in these holes after. So when I backfill, at least I'll have a little bit more of that good stuff in the hole to help them. So now I'm going to get to backfilling, and we'll see. Would be cool to get some more crops. And later on, I think I'm gonna, I'll probably put the cilantro over here because there's plenty of room. It's getting cold. It literally snowed earlier, so we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys up to date. Talk to you soon. Be well.